How many hours this week did you spend thinking about content and then not actually creating any? Here's what I keep seeing in my community. We know we need to show up consistently. We know that content builds trust, it builds visibility, it builds authority. But somewhere between I should post today and actually posting today, the day disappears. And it's not because we're lazy, it's because the process is broken. You sit down to create content and suddenly you're staring at a blank screen, trying to pull fully formed ideas out of thin air. It's exhausting, it's inefficient, and at the end of the day, it's costing you visibility every single day. I used to be there too. Then I really started digging into NotebookLM. If you've heard of it, but you've never really figured out what to do with it, that's where most people are. And when I figured out how to use it as a content engine, boom, everything changed. NotebookLM isn't just any AI tool. When you set it up correctly, it becomes a system that pulls from your expertise, your voice, and your content, and helps you generate new content actually sounds like you. Not generic, not robotic, but you. That's exactly what I'm teaching you inside the Notebook Content Factory Challenge training. This is a live, hands-on challenge where I'll walk you through my complete NotebookLM content engine at standard operating procedure, the exact system and the best practices that I use and that I teach to others. So you can leave with a working content engine, not just notes from a lecture. You're going to literally build this system as we go. By the time we're done with day 3, you're going to know how to set up NotebookLM the right way so that it works with your expertise, not around it. How to generate consistent on-brand content without starting from scratch every single time. And how to turn your existing knowledge into a repeatable content workflow. Oh, and one more thing, I'm going to teach you how to be inspired by other people's content and turn that content with your own twist into something valuable for your audience. Here's the best part. The replay's included. So if you register and you can't make it live, you're still covered. Right now, registration is just $97, but that goes up to $147 after the training ends this Thursday. So if you purchase before the training ends, you save $50, $97 to walk away with a complete content engine built around your expertise. If you've been wanting to show up consistently with content and you've been waiting for a system that actually makes sense, this is it. Click the button below and grab your spot, and I'll see you inside the challenge.